Quality Pulse compares to other quality culture assessments in 4 key areas and differentiates itself quite well. First of all, Quality Pulse is a research-based model. It was developed starting with organizational behavioral research and culture research in large organizations in the business world. We then took that research and applied it into life sciences, and in particular, the regulated space in quality. Other approaches are to get a group of people together who are quite knowledgeable and experienced in quality and understand what's important to it, but don't differentiate into that research basis that drives action and improvement. Second, Quality Pulse respondents have an opportunity to share their own personal observations in their own words. Not only does Quality Pulse have scaled questions, agree, disagree, to a given scenario as a measure of culture, it provides unique, specific context that allows questions and assessment tools to allow individuals to respond in their own words to a given scenario and describe things. We're then able to take sentiment analysis and natural language processing and scale up the analysis of that. No other product has that assesses in quality culture. Third, combining those together gives a measurement of your culture. It's specific to you, your organization, and the challenges you face. Because we're able to capture that respondent individual response, that reflects your context. What are the circumstances you're facing at this time is reflected in the output of the results and where you can take action in your context. That's quite different from benchmarking yourself off, I fall in the upper third, lower third, middle third compared to my peers. That's interesting, but it doesn't help you take the action you need to take. Finally, Quality Pulse analytics help you identify those specific tipping points where you can take the most targeted action and have the most dramatic impact in improving your culture. Because of the research-based model and how these factors influence each other, identifying these tipping points and taking action there can have the most beneficial impact on achieving desired results.